Welcome to Quotes from Around the World. We are thrilled to present the Environment Quotes. Discover powerful words to highlight our planet's beauty and the urgent need for conservation. Love is in the air, but the air is highly polluted. Be part of the solution, not part of the pollution. The Earth is what we all have in common, by Wendell Berry. And no challenge poses a greater threat to future generations than climate change, by Barack Obama. Climate change is a problem which can no longer be left to our future generation, by Pope Francis. Climate change is the greatest challenge of our time. We must reduce carbon emissions and embrace renewable energy to secure a sustainable future. Global warming is not only the #1 environmental challenge we face today, but one of the most important issues facing all of humanity, by Leonardo DiCaprio. I think it is insane that people are gathered here to talk about climate change, and they arrive here in private jet, by Greta Thunberg. If you really think that the environment is less important than the economy, try holding your breath while you count your money, by Albert Einstein. Industrial pollution and the discarding of plastic waste must be tackled for the sake of all life in the ocean, by Sir David Attenborough. Reduce, reuse, recycle. The 3 R's to a sustainable future. Rivers are the arteries of our planet, yet we continue to pollute them with industrial waste and chemicals. Let's unite to protect and restore our rivers. Small acts, when multiplied by millions of people, can transform the world, by Howard Zinn. Solutions to the climate crisis is within the reach, but in order to capture them, we must take urgent action today across every level of society, by Al Gore. Some may still deny the overwhelming judgment of science, but none can avoid the devastating impact of raging fires, and crippling drought, and more powerful storms, by Barack Obama. The Earth is warming, and our actions are to blame. It's time to act boldly, cut greenhouse gas emissions, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. The environment and the economy are not in conflict, they are 2 sides of the same coin, by Jacques Delors. The environment is a shared asset, and everyone has a stake in its protection, by Tony Blair. The environment is where we all meet, where all have a mutual interest, it is the one thing all of us share, by Lady Bird Johnson. The future is green energy, sustainability, and renewable power, by Arnold Schwarzenegger. The future of humanity depends on how we care for our environment today. The plastic we throw away doesn't disappear. It breaks down into smaller pieces, contaminating our environment and harming wildlife. There is no planet B, by Mike Berners-Lee. Try to leave the Earth a better place than when you arrived, by Sidney Sheldon. We are going to exit the fossil fuel era. It is inevitable, by Elon Musk. We are totally dependent on that world. It provides our food, water, and air. It is the most precious thing we have, and we need to defend it, by Sir David Attenborough. We kill 100 million sharks yearly. By 2050 we will have filled the sea with more plastics than fish, by Cy Montgomery. The environment is a gift we have been given. We should cherish it and leave it for future generations, by Steve Irwin. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and share.